everybody. Welcome back into another episode on our series talking to international students about their experiences and what they have gone through being an international student and how they have conquered their challenges. And today we have with us Shreya. Shreya, welcome to the show. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Perfect. I am super good, Shreya. So please tell us a little bit about yourself, Shreya, to our viewers. What are you studying here in UK and what brought you here?
Okay. First of all, hello everyone. I'm Shreya. I'm from India, Gujarat. So basically, I came here to do my master's, MSc in project management. I have completed my course already.
Ah, that's good.
Waiting for my results.
when your results
Yeah,
are
tomorrow is my
coming? Oh,
result
tomorrow.
day.
That's good. Maybe by the time this is posted, she would have
Yeah,
already
I-
graduated by that time, right?
Yeah, that's right.
That's good. That's good. So, why did you select it like project management? Like, what brought you towards project management?
So basically, I've done my bachelor's in
Mhm.
engineering.
Okay.
And I've worked so far in the engineering field. So I was working as a technical executive, quality control assistant manager kind of post. So I want to broaden up my work areas.
Okay.
So I plan to do project management because it's booming right now,
Right.
and here in UK it's very much
Yeah,
required.
that's true.
So that's why I choose project management.
Mhm.
So yeah, that's why.
That's good. That's good. Because you were the first project management student that I know at the university. The rest of the
Yeah.
others, I just came to know through you, right?
Yeah.
I know there might be many students, might be thinking about what they have to carry on. But I think project management, it's something. It's not just a degree,
Exactly.
It just really give you all kind of a different experience, right?
Right.
So, what has been your experience studying project management?
Basically, project management now it's a degree, but in your life, in your work life, you're already managing a project in somehow,
That's true.
because we are already doing it. It's there. We know how to do. As I said in my previous job as a technical assistant, I was like planning to put a new product range which is food grade. So
Right.
basically, it's a kind of project. We have
Right,
provided a budget, a timeline,
Mhm.
and a team. So I was managing it. So everyone has ability, I guess, to
Right.
tackle a projects and to handle it. But it's while studying it thoroughly, I come to know specific softwares are there, which is helpful. Some processes are there, and it provides me a really thorough knowledge to how to execute a project
Right.
very precisely within a time period.
Yeah.
So it's insightful.
That's really good. That's really good, right? So being an international student, it doesn't matter from whichever country you
I
came.
know.
We all have our own challenges, right?
Yeah. Exactly.
What are some of the biggest challenges that you came across when you landed here in UK?
In initial stages, I was quite lucky. I landed here with my family friends, so they really supported.
That's good.
I was there. They were guiding me through everything.
Uh-huh.
But the difficult part I found is to find a job.
I know many people have
because-
resonated with that, right?
You know that since the day we landed here,
Mhm.
it's keep changing the laws. It's keep getting difficult. So before
That's true.
international students getting jobs quite easily because they are not asking for anything else. Now it's getting difficult, but somehow you got your chance. I know you. I first met you in our student guide
Yeah.
induction time.
That's right. That's right.
So I was really hoping to have to meet new students here, and somehow there's kind of feeling we
Yeah.
connect with
Yeah,
people.
that's
So
right.
I connect with you
That's right.
and Switcha
Yeah, that's right.
because we share same surname.
Yeah.
She's from Nepal.
We
I'm
have
from India.
S common in our
S
name.
yeah, we
Shreya,
share the
Swetcha, and
first
Sutri,
letter.
right? Swetcha, we are missing you. Wherever
Yeah,
you are.
Switcha. So it was quite, we connect really easily, and I
That's
found
right.
it really nice. So
That's good. I think finding job, not
Yeah,
even full time, but even finding a part-time job
Part-time
is
jobs.
quite challenging.
quite
right?
challenging.
So how did you get your first part-time job being an international student?
My first job was here.
Oh, it's the
Yeah,
university.
university was
okay.
my first job.
That's good.
I have applied couple of jobs through Indeed,
Okay.
through Read. I got called back as well,
Mhm.
but as I told them that yeah, I'm international students,
Mhm.
they were like, okay, fine, no worries. I mean, it was quite, but somehow at some stage, certain hurdles came, and I didn't go through it.
Mm.
But when I got chance that they noticed, they provide the advertisement,
Right.
and I applied it. It was my first job. It's
Yeah.
really quite nice because
That
I'm
is
working at my
At
uni
university.
with my fellow friends, students,
That's
guides. So it was really nice.
Yeah, that's true. I think this is something many other students can look forward for.
Yeah,
when they're
exactly.
coming to their universities.
Through that day, I'm like advertising to all of the juniors, like be prepared.
Yeah.
They're gonna post it.
They're
Just
gonna
be quick
Just
and
be
apply
quick and
for
apply.
this job because it's easy
Yeah.
and they understand. They provide the shifts as well. They manage your
Yeah.
lectures and everything. So it's quite nice.
That's quite nice. That's good. That's good. Yeah. Anyhow, it's challenging, but I think this is the area which many less international students
Yeah.
actually explode, right?
Exactly.
But they have to be mindful that
Many of
university
they
have that.
didn't even know about it.
That's true.
They were asking me like they're paying you to stay here at
Yeah,
Gates. I
that's
was like,
true.
yeah, of course they are paying.
That's true. That's true. So you may never know. Maybe in your university, you may have something like that. So you just have to be watchful for that.
Yeah.
Just keep an eye on that,
Yeah.
and maybe you can grab the opportunity, right? So if you're
That's
struggling, the best thing is that I think keep applying more rigorously.
Keep applying,
right?
keep applying.
Right.
Yeah.
And how important it is, like from my understanding and my experience, it is very important, I believe, to really just walk into the stores, and the
I
shops,
have
right?
tried. I
Uh-huh.
got one job
Okay.
at restaurant.
Uh-huh.
I was like, I'm looking for a job. I'm international students. Here is my CV. They were like, okay, that's fine.
Uh-huh.
So I got my second job by this way.
Right.
Before I was really shy, to go and like
And just
I had
talk to
never
them.
did like that.
Yeah.
I have experienced like 7+ years of
Yeah.
experience, and things are really different at our country.
That
you
is
know,
true.
there's several, but here I was quite shy. But
Mhm.
then, okay, let's do it. I tried and I got my second job. So it's quite easy.
Mhm.
You can apply online as well, but you need to go step out
Yeah.
from your comfort zone.
That's right.
Go out, ask.
Mhm.
There are several jobs,
Yeah.
I must say, there are
That's
several
true.
jobs.
That's true. And even if they're not, you just have to just go and talk to those people,
Yeah.
right? Because that will help you to overcome
You
your
can
fears,
talk to your
right?
friends as well.
Yeah.
Friends of friends, they're
Yeah.
spreading words. You can register your name through agencies.
That's a
Agencies
good-
are really helpful here
Yeah, really.
because as international students, initially we don't get any references
Mhm.
because all of us are from
Yeah.
outside.
Yeah, that's true.
We don't know. Even I have no single relative here,
Mhm.
no friends.
Right.
This one family, and they are living outside,
Ah.
so they have no
that's
much idea about
that's
the
true.
London.
That's true. Anyhow, the struggles are real.
Yes,
We
struggle
have-
is real.
we have gone through those.
Yeah.
We're still going through some of the struggles,
Yeah.
right? They never ends. But the only thing we both can tell you is that just get out of your comfort zone every single day. Just go out, talk to people, go into shops, restaurants, wherever you can, because you may never know where you will get your opportunity.
Yeah.
Right now, apart from that, Shreya, how has been your educational journey? Like, how easy or difficult it was for you to get into the system?
It was quite it was mixed feeling because
Okay.
some of the professors are really welcoming.
Mhm.
They're really comfort you to make sure you understand it.
Right.
Some of them are not.
Mhm.
It's fine, it's part of the study because you
That's
see it's British culture.
Mhm.
They are quite straightforward
Mm.
and they have different attitudes, so
Mm.
you need to cope up with that. Few of my
That's right.
lecturers are from
Uh-huh.
Scotland campus,
Okay.
so you see they are nice. I'm not saying, but
Yeah.
it's quite they're straightforward.
Mhm.
They need certain things certain ways, so it's
Mm.
fine.
That's right.
You find it difficult at beginning, but you get used to with it, and you see as a masters, it's only 1 year, and for each term you got only 2 months, so
That's true. Time
the
just
time
flies.
flies.
It just flies.
So you don't have to
You don't have the luxury.
luxury to feel that way. Yeah, that's right. But
That's true.
it's quite easy. Sometimes it's some of the part got difficult, but you will manage it. It's not that difficult, I
That's
found.
right. No, I truly understand, resonate with you. Like,
Yeah.
not every professor is going to be super nice to
Yeah.
you, but some of them are going to be very picky.
I
But that's their
know.
style, right? That's their
Fussy.
style
We can say fussy.
Uh-huh.
They want certain things
in a certain way.
Yeah.
And if you don't do those things certain way, then there will be consequences.
You will lose.
You- So
You will lose
it's
through
better.
marks.
It's better to do
You
certain
better
things
to catch
there,
up
right?
with them.
Because it's not about just being showing your own creativity
Yeah.
here. Some professors don't want to see that, right?
Yeah,
Some professors just want you to be doing exactly the way
exactly the
they're
way
teaching
they are
you,
teaching
they're
you.
teaching
Yeah.
you because that's their style of teaching. That's
Yeah.
how they expect you to be. And there is always some learning in these experiences.
Of course,
right?
you learn so much
Mhm.
because in Indian education system, I'm engineering student, so we don't have these assignments.
Mhm.
We have
Now we do
examinations.
have
over there.
exams.
So it was quite challenging though because you have to manage the referencing style as well,
Yeah. The referencing,
structure,
the structure and all
you
that
have to
stuff.
follow. So that may affect you at beginning, but after doing certain assignments, you're going to be pro in
Yeah,
that.
you will get used
Yeah,
to it.
there's
right?
so many tools you can use. You can help. You can take help from library.
Yeah.
Library people are really helpful.
Yeah, really.
So for my referencing, they helped me really well.
That's right.
So
That's
I
true.
got understand.
Yeah, I think that's I have heard it from many other students,
Yeah.
right? If you are a UWS student, librarian, they are your first go-to source. If you wanna seeking help regarding your references, and everything,
Referencing,
right? They do help you a lot with that.
they help you to get books as well
Yeah.
related to your topic if you
Yeah.
want to read further.
Right.
So they are really helpful.
Yeah. So I think it's the point is that you just have to get into the habit of
Yeah,
questioning.
you have to be
You just have to
curious,
question
you
them.
know.
You have to be- they
It's
are
the
not going
first
to walk
thing.
towards
Yeah,
you,
they're
right?
not gonna come in because as here it's like 60% is self-learning.
That's true.
So 40% you have to ask. If you have difficulty, you ask your professor, they're gonna teach you.
Yeah.
But they're not coming to you and they're asking you
Mhm.
like, how are you doing? Do you need any help? No, that's not gonna happen
happening.
here.
That's not happening at all.
Yeah.
Keep this in mind, right? You have to be the one who just have
Yeah.
to make that first move,
Go
right?
forward, ask them.
Yeah. Definitely, it's completely different than what
Yeah.
we are used to be in India, right?
I know.
I know some of us, some habits doesn't change, right? Even if there are exams, we study on last days, and even if there
Oh,
are assignments, we start making them on last
I
weeks,
did
right?
engineering. Every 6 months I got new six subjects
Yeah.
every 6 months. So I was used to do like last week, last night was
Last moment
really
study.
last moment is really crucial for us.
But
But here you cannot
you
do that.
cannot rely on the last moment because
Yeah, site
submit-
may get crashed or
because
anything.
imagine how many students are submitting their
Yeah.
assignments on the last days, right? So it's better to be prepared in
Prepare,
advance.
just do
We
it.
learn that lesson hard way, so it's better you
Just
learn
make
that
sure
easy
you
way.
upload your file at least 24 hours before.
24
That's
hours
my
before.
suggestion.
That's
please.
that's so true. That's so
Yeah.
true, right? Because you may never know. It's
Yeah.
the word of internet, right? Anything can happen.
Yeah.
That's really good, right? What was the most difficult thing you find about assignments here? And same time, what is the most interesting?
Difficult part, as I say, we have choose the topic, so we have to search. We have to read different kind of books.
Right.
So sometimes I got stuck that this is related or not. So basically, the gist of the topic is it relatable or not, and the referencing thing. But as I said earlier, library really helped me. So that's after that it got easy. I got to know how to do it. And interesting part you were saying. So I found it really interesting to prepare assignments. At beginning it was quite difficult to gather data and everything, but I like reading, so this helped me really well.
That's
so
true.
afterward it really interested me to search the different books for the same topic. I come to know so many different things,
That's right.
which really helped me.
Mhm.
And at the same time I have read so many books,
That's
so that's a plus point.
That's a plus point, right?
Yeah.
So you mean to say that your habit of being a reader has really
Yeah,
helped you
because
a lot?
I literally I just lose that my hobby. It was my hobby to read. I lose that somehow because of the busy
Yeah,
schedules
that's right.
and the life. But now I got
You got
chance.
it back, right?
Yeah, I got it back, and I'm not gonna keeping it away now. I'm gonna keep
You're going to
reading.
keep focusing and
Yeah.
building on that.
Yeah.
And that's really good. That's really good. Those struggles, I know many people are going to resonate with
Yeah.
that, right? Even if you're not a reader, just get into a habit of,
Yeah,
reading a little bit,
yeah.
because the more you read, the better perspective
you
you have for
understand,
your
yeah.
assignments. That's good. How has been your life being a UWS student? What are your most cherished
Sorry.
memories? No, that's fine. What are your most cherished memories being a student here?
I really like to be part of the UWS student. It's a quite a journey. I made so many new friends.
That's right.
I met you. I met several other my friends, and you see, I was in my first tutorial, so I reach early and I sit on the very first table.
Right.
And after starting, people came and they just came and we randomly make friends. So it was quite nice. Some of them are really nice. Some of them are really positive like you.
Thank you.
You're really positive, really
So much,
motivates me because I found it really supporting, because as international students we are coping
Yeah.
different, we are dealing with our life,
That's
we
right.
are having sometimes stress, sometimes tension, sometimes it's quite overwhelming, but
That's right.
we are having good friends, and friends like you who motivates are really important. So I found it really nice. It's a quite a bumpy road. Sometimes I fall,
Yeah.
but because having good friends, they really help, and it's quite nice. I like it.
That's good. That's good. So that means all the friendships that you build here
Yeah,
is one
friendship
of the
is
most
really-
memorable
Yeah,
memories for
my
you.
friendship is really memorable.
That's good. That's good. So, what do you think about overall about the university in general?
University, they plan really different activities here. One thing I remember, it was Timola.
Yeah. that's all.
Timola projects. It's a really first time event, and we were the first one.
Yeah.
I signed up for it. I asked my friends. None of them.
Mhm.
Some of them took participate,
Yeah.
but few of them are really hesitating to do such to participate in such
Yeah.
event. But we participated. You participated
That's
even,
right. That's right.
and we are. I mean, my team was the only team who has highest number of
Yeah,
group members.
And you guys were
because-
the most engaging, one.
Yeah, so I found that really helpful, because it is kind of we have provided a topics, we have to choose it by ourselves.
Yeah.
So the same topic have chosen, they were created as a group.
Yeah.
Then they have provided us different tasks, we have
Yeah.
to follow it and
That's right.
provide it weekly
Mhm.
weekly basis, and we have quarterly meetings and
Yeah.
everything. It's a like 3-month long
Yeah, it was 3 months.
3-month long project, and I found it really insightful. I made new friends through that. I met different culture people,
Yeah.
and my team was really different country oriented team,
That's true.
and they were really nice.
Yeah.
We help each other. We help other teams as
Yeah.
well,
That's true.
and they helped us as well.
Yeah.
So it quite experience to have. And UWS are giving so many different activities. There is a tech club.
Yeah, tech club.
With the
Yeah.
help of that, we have covered like most of the
Most of the
London.
London.
Yeah, free of cost.
Free of course. That's
That's
the main thing.
Yeah, that's the highlight.
Yes.
Free of
Free
course,
of
you're
course.
gonna visit
Be there with tech club.
Tech Club. There was other activities as well. They have different sports.
Yeah, sport activities.
Sports training.
You can join sports
So,
clubs.
They,
There are so
I
many
joined
things, right?
Roomba classes. It's
Oh
quite.
yeah, I saw your photo. over there. You
Yeah,
was there on that.
It's really nice to have, and there was mindful activities as well. They do puppy yoga.
Yeah, puppy yoga.
I
that's,
loved
that's
it.
quite interesting.
Yeah, I loved it. So it's they are providing different kind of activities, different kind of things which help you to improve, to make new friends, to make new people
Yeah.
visit the art and culture. So it's quite
Yeah.
it's quite motivating. It's quite impressful because my other university friends, they don't have
They
this
don't.
luxury,
Yeah, that's true.
and we are having it free, of course.
Yeah. And I think
So
that's where we are so lucky,
that's
because
where we are so lucky. Yeah.
being here at the UWS, having access to Tech Club,
Tech club,
that really makes this experience at this university
Yeah.
even more experience,
more
better,
memorable.
more memorable, right?
Yeah,
And that's true. Tech Club, they organize so many different things.
different activities.
Right.
Even they ask for your
Yeah,
suggestions.
they do.
You can provide your suggestions to them, and they are gonna plan it accordingly.
That's true. So if you are a UWS student and you still don't know about Tech Club,
Yeah, do
you-
join.
you just joined it and you will know, what you have been missing, right? And that's really good, right? Now, apart from that, Shreya, how did you cope up with I know many students, when they came here, some of them really becomes homesick, right?
I know.
They do miss their families back home,
I
right?
know.
Do you had any experiences or how did you cope up with that?
I do have.
Mhm.
I mean, we were quite lucky. We are the last students who got their dependent with them.
That's
But
true.
now you're not gonna have.
Yeah.
So, I was homesick big in the beginning period of my
Mhm.
studying. It was like I was missing food, Indian food, missing my family, missing my house. So, it was quite heartwarming. I mean, but if you got good friends, you can talk with them.
Yeah, that's right.
You can go out with them.
Mhm.
So they will make you feel better, and you forget that, and just keep focusing to go forward and just keep moving. It
Keep
will
moving.
help you
That's true.
to overcome with these feelings. You're gonna have it
Yeah.
at some stage.
That's something.
But if you got good friends and if you got your partner, you can talk with them.
Yeah.
You can soothe
Yeah, it's
them.
very important to have your own circle here, right?
Right.
And anyhow, being in this technological world, we are never away from the family, right?
Yeah, that's
You
right.
can call them, even you can video call them, right? So that's something
That's right.
student doesn't have 20, 30 years ago, right? So we are so
Right.
lucky in that
Yeah,
aspect, right? At least
Exactly.
we can just do a video call and we
Video
talk
call,
to
and you
anybody
can
back
talk
home,
to them.
right?
Yeah, so just find your tribe.
Yeah,
I
find
can
your
say.
tribe, right? That's
Fine.
very important, like, because I have seen many people, many students when they came to UK, sometimes they just try to stick with their own community,
Exactly.
which is
Don't
not good or
do
bad,
that.
which is not good or bad, but somehow you need to just expand because you're here to
Exactly.
explore and learn, that kind of thing has to be there,
That's what I suggest. If you meet other countries' people, you
Yeah.
can know about their culture,
right?
and you can share, you can learn more,
Mhm.
because we are here to get international studying experience.
That's true.
So for that, you have to step out
Mhm.
from your comfort zone and just make new
Yeah,
friends.
your friends. That's so true. That's so true. And the more friends you have, because remember that, so this conversation we are having here today, right? We never know when we'll have something
I
next
know.
time, similar conversation next time, right?
know.
So this is a very valuable thing that in London, or not just London, wherever in the world you are,
Anywhere.
the moment that you have, utilize that moment. You will never know
Yeah.
when next time you will have
Exactly.
that moment, right? So that opportunity, the
this your
window of
moment,
opportunity, is
yeah.
very small, right? You just have to grab that, right? Because your university life, your study time, that's the best time.
Best time.
Once you get the job,
Yeah, you're gonna be stuck again.
you're gonna be so busy, right? Anyhow, you will find time, but
Yeah,
you
but
will never,
the time
you will not
is
get
not
back
gonna
this
be the
time.
same like this, because right now we are not that occupied. We
That's
got
true.
free times. We got friends who
Yeah.
are free as well
That's true.
on our timing, because
That's
we are
right.
studying
That's
together.
so
We are not gonna get this time
That's
in
true. That's
future.
true. That's true. Like I remember, I did my previous education like 10 years ago.
Oh,
So
mine
there
as
were
well.
so many things I used to miss. So I just made that promise that this year, I'm going to do everything that I know I have to do being a student, right?
Yeah,
Because
we
you may
got
never
that
know when you will
opportunity.
get that experience next
Yeah.
time in your life, right?
That's right. That's
That's
true.
so
That's true.
That's right. Now, apart from that, in general, how difficult or easy it was for you to settle in to the UK?
Okay, so I landed outside, which is basically outside of London. So
Okay.
most of the people over there are British English people.
Right.
So I got first my interaction with
Mhm.
English people, and they're quite friendly. Some
Mhm.
of them quite rude, but it depends. It depends what kind of people you are meeting.
Right.
So I found it quite, I say, easy, not so easy.
Mhm.
I found it. I'm out of the word. I found it really
Mhm.
comforting. You know,
So it
it's
wasn't
not
awkward for you to
it's
just
not awkward. I mean, you are meeting new people. So as in our country,
Mhm.
different people has different personalities. So I just take it at that way, like,
Mhm.
okay, that's fine. He has this kind
Mhm.
of nature or
Right,
anything.
right,
Just respect that
Mhm.
and behave accordingly.
Right.
But it was easy for
Mhm.
me because the auntie where I was staying with
Mhm.
her, she really guided me
Right.
that he behaves like it,
Mhm.
but he meant like it. So
Right.
don't worry,
Don't
dear.
worry.
It's not you. It's
Yeah.
their nature.
It's their nature. Right?
So that's really helping me.
Yeah.
Okay, that's right.
That's
It's their nature.
Exactly. That's also something very strange. Some of the things you may not understand
Yeah.
once you're here,
Yeah.
but over the time you will understand what
I will,
actually they
yeah,
mean.
they are not rude actually. They were meant to be
It's
like
just
that.
it's just the
It's
way
their
they are,
culture.
right? It's their
We
culture.
can say,
It's just the way they are, right?
yeah.
That's right. That's right.
So-
Now, getting back to that Demola thing, right?
Okay.
Because I think that's also many people miss. Many students miss
Yeah.
because most of the time when students come here as an international student, either they think about just jobs or some of them think about just study,
Just study.
right? How important it is to balance them out, and how important it is to just participate even in those activities, just like the Mola, which are not part of your studies,
Right.
but it can give you some skills, right?
Right. So I would suggest it's really important that you took part in different kind of activities
Yep.
while you're studying. There are several benefits you will get. You will get new kind of experience. You can just use your study, your theoretical knowledge in your practical
projects.
world,
Right.
and you will understand more. Like as we talk about Demola,
Yeah.
it's a kind of project
It's
we
a
are given. So there were steps we have to follow.
Right.
So from starting to end, we are just managing how
Yeah.
to do it. There were several tasks to
Right.
do it.
Right.
There were reports.
Right.
So we are doing it.
It's so
As a-
many skills.
So many
develop in
skills
the-
you are developing. You are meeting. You are searching. You are gathering data. You're putting it together.
Yeah.
So I found it really helpful for my study
Right.
and even for our character as well. Because we are stepping out. We are the first one
We are the first one
who
to do
took
it.
part because it's a really brand new
Yeah.
activity
Yeah.
they are managing here in London.
Yeah.
They were never had Demola before. So I found it helpful. You can just step out from your comfort zone and do it, and just don't look at it as you're doing such kind of project. Just learn from
Learn
it,
from it.
and you can manage it, and it will help you. You will find it like several students with us, they were like, what are we doing?
Yeah.
It's not necessary.
I think like for the first few
Yeah.
weeks we were like, what we are doing,
what
right?
we are doing, yeah.
I think for the first quarterly meeting that we are having, we were
Yeah.
still lost till that time,
there
right?
was no any clue what we are doing it right now. But as the time passed and we move
made
forward, it
makes
makes sense. It all makes sense that okay, we are doing it. So they made the process really helpful for us. That first they just provide us time to explore,
That's right.
and then they are coming to a certain point. Like, okay, you did that because you are
Yeah.
gonna now do this, which
Right.
will help you to have some output. And I found it really helpful.
And I think that teaches a very important lesson about life. Sometimes for the longer period of your project,
Yeah.
you don't see anything happening.
Anything happening, but
right?
but you keep trying, and your motives are gonna be shaped somehow really big, and it's
And
quite
it will all,
beautiful
it
at
will all
times.
make sense,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
It will all make sense. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Now, there's one more particular thing that I really want you to discuss, right?
Okay.
How I know majority of students that I know, they are not doing this, right? You are the only one from whom I learned that, right? How important it is. Like, I know you have been researching a lot. You have been applying for the jobs a lot,
Yeah.
right? how important it is to sign up for the weekly newsletters of the university. Being a UWS student, how important it is to have meeting with career team, right? And can you share your experiences, like how you have been, doing all this?
Yeah, so basically, it's really important that you sign up for your career newsletter
Yeah.
because they are posting the different roles
Mhm.
and they're posting the same for all, but you
Yeah.
can have your chance. And it's really important because here in UK,
Mhm.
there were several stages to get to the certain job title. So
That's right.
you have to be quick. You have to prepare yourself from really beginning. As you see, our course completed in May,
Yeah.
but I have already started my application from Jan
Mm.
because the first part there's a deadline part up to that date you can apply for the job.
Mhm.
After which, if your CV got selected,
Mhm.
they will contact you and they will do your telephonic interview.
That's right.
And after that, if you cross that as well,
Mhm.
there were several other different. It depends on the job you are
On the company and
applying.
all that
So
stuff.
different job has
Right.
different kind of structure
Mhm.
you follow. But the main thing is it's a time consuming process.
It is.
So you have to be prepared. The first thing first, you have to prepare your CV
That's
as per the UK, and for that UWS provide the career guidance.
Yeah.
You can book online, or you can come over here on the certain time they are here. You can check,
Yeah.
and they guide you and they suggest you that this should be there, this should be
Mhm.
how you follow.
Right.
So if you do all this thing from beginning, it's gonna be easy
Easy.
for you. You have to keep your LinkedIn profile updated as
that's
well,
very important, right?
because I got several calls directly. They are
Just on
reaching me
LinkedIn,
out
right.
from my LinkedIn, and I got the job opportunity through that.
Right.
That was really unexpected because it was, I mean, I never expect, because I was keep applying the job titles from different platforms,
Mhm.
but I didn't expect that people are actually seeing particular profile and they reach you out
Right.
that this is the profile we found interesting, and
Mhm.
if you are interested you can come out.
Yeah.
So it's quite important to be prepared
Mhm.
and to follow the steps and be quick. Just don't wait to complete your study
Yeah.
and then start
Then start
applying,
applying.
because at the time it's gonna be you're gonna be so late,
So late.
because there were two intakes
Mhm.
for the certain people
Mhm.
to have their candidates.
Mhm.
And if you lose that chance, you're not gonna get any good companies.
Mhm.
I mean, other companies has keep opening the
Yeah.
titles, but certain big companies they have certain two
Yeah, they
times
have majority of recruitments are on a fixed
on
times,
fixed
in a year.
time. So you have to be prepared before that time and keep sign up for the newsletter.
Mhm.
It's really helpful.
It's really
So you have to be quick.
very quick. That's true, because you can't put that till the last end.
I know.
Because if you put that till the last end, then you
gonna
will be
miss the
frustrated,
opportunity.
because then you will be thinking, why still I'm not getting
Yeah,
job?
yeah.
It has been months since I finished my degree. So that's why you should begin months
from
before
months
you finish your
before.
degree.
I keep telling my friends, okay, do prepare yourself. These are the deadlines,
Yeah.
because the selecting process here is really daunting.
Mhm.
It's time consuming as
time-consuming.
well. So
You just have to be prepared,
be
right? They're going to ask you a lot of things, a lot of
Yeah.
questions and everything, but that's fine. Now, just, expanding on this, what we are discussing, how important it is to have a tailored CV for each job, and how important it is to keep in mind that it should be a ATS friendly resume.
Yeah,
Right.
that just slipped my mind. I'm gonna discuss it in my previous
Yeah,
talk.
yeah.
It's really important here because first thing, your CV should be ATS friendly.
ATS friendly.
That's a must. It's basically an automatic transmission, something.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
I think it is
It
automatic
is
tracking system or something.
tracking
Yeah,
system, which is basically computer. I mean, AI are just finding certain keywords in your CV. It should be in certain um, a certain style
Yeah.
of your CV. So if it's not there, you're gonna be rejected directly by
That is
AI.
true. That's true.
So you should prepare your CV in
Mhm.
ATS format.
That's
There
right.
are several websites.
Mhm.
You can have it by
Yeah.
free, or there's a paid websites as well.
Mhm.
And you can make by yourself as well.
Yeah.
So I prepare my CV basically from the Word.
Mhm.
Word.
Yeah, I think they have
Microsoft
templates in the Microsoft
templates.
Word, right?
I just simply made from the new,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
blank page.
Blank
I
template.
started to put. I mean, I have seen certain
The templates on it.
templates on
Yeah.
online and prepared by myself. It's not that
It's easy.
difficult. It's so
It's
easy.
Yeah.
And the second thing you asked that what do you ask?
I think the first thing I asked you about the ATS friendly thing.
Yeah, that's important.
And I think the second thing, how important it is to have tailored CV
Oh
for
yeah,
the jobs,
sorry, I forgot it.
Mhm.
So every job has different job description, and not only your CV should be ATS friendly.
Yep.
They are looking for certain keywords
That's
from the
true.
description to be in your CV.
To be in your CV.
Because AI is not only just seeing your structure, they are searching for different keywords which should be matched with job description. So you're gonna find it difficult at beginning
Yeah.
to put different keywords every time for every single job. But once you get used to it, it's like 2-minute task.
Yeah, it's
Just you
once
can
you get
use
into the habit,
AI as well.
Yeah, exactly. You
Just put the description in
Mhm.
any AI tool and just ask them to provide a keyword to put in your CV.
Mhm.
You can use that keywords and make a line or make a description that way, that utilize
Yeah.
keywords, because it's really important.
Mhm.
It's the second most important thing to put in your CV.
Mhm. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, this is where many students get confused. Like, what if I don't have an experience for what they are asking? This is where they need to learn that somehow you have to showcase your experience
Yeah.
in such a way
Yeah.
that it relates to that job, right?
Exactly.
Like,
Or you can just provide a transferable skill
that's
that
right.
while doing your study,
This-
I have learned this.
This
So
can be used.
from my theoretical knowledge, I want to put my theoretical knowledge into practical world.
That's true.
So you can provide as a transferable
Mhm.
skill, which is really countable here.
Yep.
They are not just seeing your experience
Mhm.
only. If you got experience that beneficial,
Mhm.
but if you don't, and you're doing different, all different. See, as if I want to apply for project management
Yep.
role, and maybe I'm
Mhm.
working as student guide.
Right.
So I put my communication skill in my CV,
Mhm.
my teamwork, that I'm a people person. I
Right.
can really blend with new people
Mhm.
easily. So these are kind of transferable skill you can mention in your
Mhm.
CV.
That's true. That's true.
So
You just have to show them,
Yeah.
why you are the right person.
what you are putting, what are they gonna have after hiring
Hiring
you? What
you.
are you providing them
And I
as
think
a
that's where your cover letter plays a very big role,
Yeah.
right? Because they might be getting confused,
Just-
with the keywords.
Yeah.
But I think the cover letter, it's a very unique way, and
to
that's what
showcase.
everybody has to learn. Being in UK, if you are applying without a cover letter, don't expect anything.
Anything. Yes,
They're
that's
not even
true.
going to call you, right?
That's true. That's true.
Right? Like you were just talking about. Let's just take an example that back home in India,
Yeah.
you have been working in any sector that involves around the
Yeah,
communication,
that's
right?
total different
Right.
sector.
And now let's say you are applying for a job here that is a customer service role. So in your cover letter, you have to convince them that how that skills that
Yes,
you learn
learn
from this
from
role
that role.
can actually makes you the right candidate for
That's
this
true.
position, right?
Yeah.
And that's what cover letter does,
Yeah.
right?
That's the magic.
And then again, guys, you don't have to do it by yourself. There
Yeah.
are tools. Yeah,
There-
there are tools,
That's
right?
true.
You can use so many AI tools. We'll share some of them in the description, and
Sure,
I will also,
definitely.
we'll try to make a video just showcasing you how to do that, even the cover letter stuff. But understand that you need to get into the practice, right?
That's right.
You have to use these tools.
These tools.
You have to start applying jobs even from now.
From now.
Even if you are a first term student right now,
That's right.
just start
That's
doing
fine.
it. Just start doing
keep,
it, right?
Keep doing it. Keep
Right.
started.
Yeah, that's true. And if you think that you don't have any experience as of now, try to get in the volunteering things, right?
Volunteering. Oh yeah,
Right.
that third most important thing. In UK, they are really focusing to have person to
Mhm.
do volunteering, because they think volunteering is a really noble thing, and you understand much more better, and it's really beneficial
That's true.
as a person, not only as a person, as an employee,
Mhm.
because it's quite important.
Mhm.
If you have it, if you volunteering any kind of stuff in UWS, we have quite
We have a lot of
several
things, you know.
volunteering things. You
Yeah.
do it. That shows your character
Yeah,
to the employers.
that's
So
true.
it's quite very nice plus point
Mhm.
for you to put in your CV.
Yeah, it's really helpful.
It's helpful.
Right? That's good. Now, in general, overall, Shreya, did you enjoy your stay here being a UWS student?
Definitely,
Definitely,
I enjoy my stay here,
That's
and
perfect.
it's nice. It's quite a journey.
It's quite a journey. Right?
Yeah.
That's good. Now, just to wrap it up, right? What are a few things that you will recommend every international student to start doing straight away when they land here in their career wise?
Okay, career wise. So basically, just do make sure to book an appointment with UWS Career Guide. So
That's right.
if you don't understand anything about the CV,
Mhm.
because CV is the really first thing you do to start your career over
Right.
here. So do book your appointment first, or you can just Google it, or you can ask your friends. So first thing first, just prepare your CV as per the UK requirements, ATS friendly CV, and keep applying for the job from the beginning, before you can apply for part time. But
Mhm.
make sure you have certain companies, certain goals. What are they looking for?
Mhm.
Just make new connection through
Right.
LinkedIn, because if employer are seeing your profile and they found, okay, some of my employees are already connected with them,
Mm.
it would be
It would be
beneficial.
beneficial.
So
That's a really good advice.
yeah,
The
so
LinkedIn stuff.
so do make sure for your dream company, connect with some of the employees, so that it reflects while they are seeing your
That's true.
profile.
That's true. That's so good, guys. LinkedIn. It doesn't matter whether you paid attention to it
Yeah,
before coming
it's
here
really
or not, but
important.
it is going to be your gold mine while being an international student.
That's
Correct?
true.
That's awesome. That's so amazing, Shreya. You have shared so many great information.
Yeah.
It was such a pleasure having you on the show.
Yeah,
Thank you
pleasure is
so
all
much.
mine.
Thank you so much. See you soon again on our podcast.
Sure.
I hope you have enjoyed the podcast, guys. In case you have any question further in the future that you want me to ask my, the guest, let me know. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.